Hello students and welcome to day 1 of Python 0 to Hero series. So before we start writing any Python program, you should know where are you going to write down these programs and where are you going to see the results. So as I talked about in our intro video that we are going to use a product by Google, that is Google Colab. So the beauty of using this product is that you don't have to install anything. You don't have to worry what configuration your laptop has because we would be working on the browser. You just need a Gmail account. We'll log in using your Gmail account into Google Colab and you will be writing all the Python programs here. So all the codes you write will be executed in Google Cloud, that is Google servers. So the Google space would be utilized for this. So right now you will be writing very basic programs, but even if you write complex and advanced machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence projects, you don't need to worry about your laptop resources because entire code is being executed on the Google Cloud. So now let's see how to log in, create a notebook on the Google Colab and start writing your first Python program. So just search for Google Colab on your Google browser. You can just write Google Colab or Google Colab for Python. The first link, welcome to Collaboratory, just click there and it will open the Google Colab. Now you should either be signed in into your Google account or you can just sign in. Enter your email ID, whatever Gmail account you have. So you will see an interface like this. So here you will get an option to create a new notebook. Just click on new notebook and you will get an interface like this. Okay. On the top is the file name PYNB, that means Python notebook. And here you can change the name to first program. Okay. Now here you can write down your Python code. Like I would be introducing you to various Python commands from tomorrow, but whenever you need to display a message on the screen, we use the command print. So print and a set of round brackets, and inside it you can write hello everyone. Okay, and you can just run the code by clicking this arrow or the play button on the left hand side, and you will be able to see the results in a while. So here you can see that this is the interface. You can keep on adding as much code as you want, and I will also show you that you can add text also here. Okay, and you can share it with your friends, like just click on the share button and you can just add either you can copy the link or add the Gmail IDs of the people with whom you want to share, and after you share with them they can also edit the same file, or if you don't want to give them the edit rights, they can just add the comments here. Okay, so you can see when as I wrote this line, I could see the result here. Now if you want to keep on adding new code, you can click on plus code. It will add more coding blocks. So you can keep on adding, you can create an entire one notebook for one project, keep on adding the codes there. And also suppose if you want to add some explanation, so you can add an option plus text. So here you can write anything like this file is to show how to start using Google Colab. Okay, then you stop editing and you can see this is the code. So you can take it up. So this is the explanation, this is the text, and you can add the HTML code here. You can add images, you can add bullet points. So this can be a complete explanation of the code. Now there are some settings which you can change. Like if you go to settings, I am right now choosing the dark theme. If you want, you can choose the light theme as well. Let's see how it looks like. So then your notebook would look like this. So it's completely on you what settings you want to keep for Google product or Google Colab. And if you go to editor, you can change the font size. You can also click on showing the line numbers, like you can see the line numbers here, And there are many other settings which you can change according to you. You can change the font style, your font size, etc. Now I'll show you what is runtime. So there is an option to change runtime type. Right now I'm using Python 3. Okay, you can also use it for R. And what hardware accelerator I'm using? A general CPU. If you work on advanced projects where you are using a large data set to train your machine learning models, where you need higher resources means that in a lesser amount of time, a large code should get executed. So then you can try using these TPU. TPU stands for Tensor Processing Unit, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, and GPU stands for Graphics Processing Unit. So right now we would be writing very basic programs, so we can simply write CPUs. Okay. Also, if you again move to very complex projects, there is also an option to go for Pro Google Colab. That's a paid version, which of course we don't need anything right now. Okay, so this is all about the Google Colab. Just make sure that before tomorrow's session, you are logged in into your Google Colab account using your Gmail ID, and you can try writing one print statement, execute it, and see the results. The first time you execute, it might take few seconds to run because the system has just started. You can see the RAM disk being used. This is the resources which we are using from Google. And after that, consequently, like when you will be working on further codes, then it will just give you the results in fraction of seconds. So wait for tomorrow. Meanwhile, just get ready with your Google Colab.